They're on a quest to vanquish the competition. You could call it a Vanquest. We're back to talk about another amazing pouch from our good friends at Vanquest. This is the EDCM-HUGE 2.0 Maximizer Organizer from Vanquest. When you see the Vanquest logo, you know it's Rhino tough. Like my last Vanquest pouch video, I'm starting off with the pouch fully packed out and loaded. As you can see, this mamma jamma lives up to the name Huge. Huge! I've got it fully loaded out with a grab-and-go EDC toolkit concept. Let me show you what we're carrying today.
That's so exciting!
Ba-bam!
Huge, huge, huge. Huge!
Holy guacamole, Pocket Theory. Look at the organizational capability of this pouch. The EDCM-HUGE 2.0 is the largest pouch in Vanquest Everyday Carry Maximizer series. They market this as an everything but the kitchen sink organizer, and they are not frickin' kidding. You can fit a ton of gear in here. Vanquest is a California-based gear company known for extremely durable, high-quality pouches, bags, and EDC organizers. They were founded in 2011. They're headquartered in California. We're talking 8 inches by 7 inches by 2.5 inches deep. It's a fatty macker built to drop into backpacks and bags, but also rugged enough to carry just like a frickin' briefcase. You got 1000D Cordura nylon with water-repellent Teflon fabric protection, double-stitch seams, and heavy-duty lockable YKK zippers. Here on the inside, it features 24 staggered offset elastic maximizer loops, and you can actually feel the difference in quality, all right? According to Vanquest, these are 15.5% more efficient than traditional shared stitching elastic. 15.5% seems like a very exact number, so I think they may have done the math on this.
Math.
You got 3 internal pockets. You got 1 internal zippered pocket. You got the external front pocket, which attaches here with hook and loop. Listen, I don't want to beat a dead horse, but I've said this before. I believe that the solid panel front pocket is superior to mesh, and it provides better stability and has a big impact on pouch longevity.
I'm going to live forever.
You've got 1, 2, 3 different anchor points on the inside. As you can see on this first anchor point, I've got my little Stanley power lock. This is a great little tape measure. Over here on this side, I've just got this O-knife micro bit kit. This is a fantastic bit kit, and of course you can get this on a Night Eyes carabiner. And then over here on this lockdown point, I've just got a Nightcore Tiki. This is a great flashlight to have in a kit. Got a lot of functions and a tiny light. It does also come with this removable 6-inch double hook keychain tether. You can clip it to any of the anchor points on the inside. We don't have to mention any other pouch makers by name. I'll just say this. Because of these extra elastic loops down at the bottom, you get a lot more stability and a lot more options as far as what you can put in and how you can configure it. Same thing on this side. You've just got more elastic loops. You've got more pockets, so you have more ways that you can configure it. And then in the middle, instead of just one big loop, they've got the big loop with 2 other smaller loops. So you can fit small things like your WD-40 pen, your super lube, and then back behind this, I've just got a big railer bit kit stashed down in there. So honestly, this is a sick organizer. There is so much going on in here.
There's a lot going on.
I'm just going to go left to right. I've got my Write and Rain mechanical pencil. I've got my Embassy pen in Ultim by CountyCom. I've got both of my Klein flip sockets. I've got SAE and metric. When you combine that with your Icon ratchet, you've got a lot of socket options. You've got a lot of bit driving options. I've got a Steinway little stubby handle over here. You can combine this with the Icon ratchet and give yourself a little bit driving capability. So now you've got 2 bit drivers instead of just 1. A little flexibility.
Flexible.
In the middle, I've got my Goo Gone pen. I've got my Super Lube. I've got my WD-40 precision pen. And then down here in the middle, I've got a bit set in this railer bit holder. This is a pretty comprehensive bit set. Again, this isn't supposed to meet every single need, but this is a great grab-and-go toolkit option.
Grab it like you want it. Grab it.
Over here on this side, I already mentioned I got the Nightcore Tiki flashlight. I've got my Leatherman Micra multi-tool. This has a great pair of scissors in it. I've got a pry bar here from Countycom. Stashed behind that, I've got my Micro Guyver kit. This is just a little kit. It's like a junk drawer for a pouch. It's got super glue. It's got all kinds of fun stuff, zip ties, all kinds of things that you might need in a pinch to MacGyver your way out of a situation. I got the little adjustable crescent wrench. This is a nice little guy to have in a jam as well. I got my little Riggy Back Micro. This is the Oticle with a little 711L mini ratchet. I did a whole video on this tool itself. I got another pair of foldable scissors from Fiskars. These come in pretty handy. I got a little utility knife from Gerber, my vice grips, and my 5-inch Knipbacks. These are a great combination. In this pocket back here, I've got a Bic lighter. I've also got some gear ties. These are like big twist ties. Basically, you can wrap them around things, and they've got a little rubbery surface to keep them from moving around too much. Back down in this pocket, I've got a squeegee. This helps when you're like putting on tape or you're putting on stickers. And then back down in here in the big zipper pocket, I've got some zip ties. I've got a big fat shank of duct tape in high vis orange, and I've got some paracord. Just some cordage in case you need it.
It's nothing fancy.
Nothing too fancy. Again, this is not meant to solve every single problem that you might encounter. It's just supposed to get you out of a jam. This is the kind of kit that I take with me on a road trip. You definitely throw this in the trunk just to make sure that you have some tools available. Up in the front pouch, I don't have anything. I've got a little miniature cut-proof mat just in case I'm, doing something like that and I don't want to damage whatever is beneath what I'm working on. The whole back panel is molly webbing, so you can use it for modular mounting options. Everything about this pouch screams quality.
God quality.
It might look like other pouches, but I'm telling you, the interior nylon is superior quality. The tie-down points are superior quality. The stitching is more rugged. This handle, I feel like you could use this whole pouch as a frickin' weapon. I mean, listen, guys, if you have any doubts as to how awesome this pouch is, here's a fun game that you can play. Scour the internet for negative reviews of the EDCM-HUGE 2.0. Go ahead, do it right now. There are virtually no bad reviews on this pouch. They're like non-existent. And even the rare contrarian who doesn't like this pouch still gives it flowers for the rugged construction and the design. So listen, it might not become your #1 favorite pouch, but there is zero chance that you're going to be disappointed in the build quality. If you want to check out the EDCM-HUGE 2.0 or any other Vanquest gear, use the links in the description of this video. Help support the channel. Guys, when it comes to EDC pouch organizers, when it comes to grab-and-go toolkits, just remember to think outside the box, be creative with your gear, and have fun with your EDC. This is Such a Pocket Theory. Carry what you want.